Hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make my husband's favorite side dish. It's deliciously simple and I think you're going to love it. This recipe is so simple that once you serve it, I'm fairly certain it's going to become one of your family's favorites. The first thing I always do is gather all my ingredients. For this recipe, you're going to need fresh baby Bella mushrooms. I like to buy mine sliced. Fresh asparagus spears, Bragg's liquid aminos, coconut oil, and sesame seeds. The sesame seeds are optional, but they do make a nice topping. Today, I am using 2 packages of very thick organic asparagus, 1 package of baby Bella mushrooms, and the first thing I do is just rinse everything. After rinsing and allowing my vegetables to dry, I like to cut the ends off of my asparagus and then slice them into bite-sized pieces. I almost always buy my mushrooms pre-sliced, but if I don't, then this would be the time that I would slice them as well. I almost always cook with coconut oil. I like to use really good coconut oil. I buy it in bulk from Costco. It's cold pressed, it's organic, it's unrefined, all the good stuff. I find that cooking my vegetables in coconut oil really give it a nice nutty flavor that we enjoy. It's also what I feel to be one of the healthiest oils that I can cook with. So that's why I use it. I place about a half a tablespoon of oil in my large saucepan, and then I heat that until it's melted. I add my vegetables and I stir the asparagus and the mushrooms together at the same time until they start to release some moisture. This takes about 5 minutes. Over medium to medium high heat. This is generally when I like to add in my Bragg's liquid aminos. Now, if you're not familiar with Bragg's liquid aminos, they really are a replacement for soy sauce, a healthy replacement for soy sauce. I use Bragg's liquid aminos to season my vegetables and my rice dishes often. It is really delicious and healthy. I add the liquid aminos and then I just stir a little while, stir the vegetables, mix them in until I feel like they're heated all the way through and at the right consistency that I enjoy. So when I hit that just right Goldilocks place, I will turn the heat off and sprinkle liberally with some sesame seeds. There's no need to add any salt or any other spices. It's quite delicious just this way. Hey, that's what this channel is all about. Easy, simple, healthy recipes that you can deliver to your family and they will love and request again and again. And if you enjoyed this video or like this recipe, you know, it means so much to me when people hit that thumbs up button. I don't know why. It tells me that all of my efforts to provide you guys with healthy, easy recipes is working. And that's really something that means a lot to me. So please give me that thumbs up, but only if you like it. And I hope you really enjoy this recipe. Thank you.